So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your pocket, and Google has released the fastest and the most efficient model, that is Gemini 3.5 Flash. As you can see on my screen, it is available for free on Gemini 3.1 Flashlight 3.5 Flash. It is available now and you can use it for free. Before jumping on to the details of the model, first of all let's test it out for free on Gemini. I have provided the link in the comment section below. Hey bro, what's up? So I'm just pinging it basic prompt so that you can see that it is free to use. I don't have a premium account. Hey, not much. Just hanging out in the digital realm and ready to assist. How's your day going? What are we diving into? Tell me more about India. So just typing out basic prompts to show you that how fast the model is and other stuff. India is a massive, vibrant, and incredibly diverse country that essentially functions as a subcontinent of its own. We have light version as well. You can test out multiple things, so don't miss it. Now jumping onto the main one. What are details? What are the specifications for this new model? Gemini 3.5 Flash, best of for frontier performance across agents and coding. We just now tried it in Gemini. You can also build with Gemini here. Solve complex real-world problems at speed. If you look at the capabilities, intelligence in a flash, get advanced reasoning at flash level latency and scale. Fast and smart, master complexity, and truly multi-model. As you can see, speed and scale don't have to come at the cost of intelligence. Deep reasoning across long horizon and iterative coding tasks. Frontier level understanding across text, audio, image code, and video. Hands-on. Speed doesn't come at the cost of intelligence. Here are just a few ways you can use Gemini 3.5 Flash. As you can see here, it codes faster, multiple creative concepts in parallel. If you look this video is pretty nice. Expect 64 sub-agents to explore creative variations. Very interesting. It can deploy agents on its own. As you can see, very nice video, very elaborative. All these are videos. If you look here, I'll just first of all mute it. Team of Gemini 3.5 Flash agents reproduce a playable version of Alpha Zero. This is crazy stuff, my friends, and the model is just going bonkers. I think today they have released Gemini Omni Flash 3.5 Flash and Anti-Gravity 2.0 as well. So a big day for Googlers. Multiple things here. Agentic Studio, generate interactive animations in a single shot. If you see here, create music through real-time collaboration. Agentic City. Multiple things are there. Orchestrate multi-agent workflows. Watch Gemini 3.5 Flash coordinate a team of specialized agents to design and build a virtual city. If you look at the showcase, a Martin box, JetBrains, they have been using it. The model looks very interesting. Performance-wise, if you look, benchmarks, Terminal Bench 2.1, GPT 5.5 is leading. But here also the scores are very interesting. The model is quite small, and given that it has good results. We have seen a jump of Gemini 3 Flash to Gemini 3.5 Flash, a huge jump in Terminal Bench. If you look for coding, also there is a big gap. For look at the agentic world, MCP Atlas Toolathon, the model is best right now, even beating GPT 5.5 and Opus 4.7. This is huge. Expert task, finance agent V2. If you look here, Char Archive, reasoning, MMLU Pro, everywhere the model is just beating everything else. Model information, input token is 1 million, output token 64K. Knowledge cutoff is January 2025, a little old, I would say. Best for everyday tasks, agentic coding, advanced reasoning, multi-model understanding. Available on Gemini app, Android Studio, etc. So with this, it's a wrap. Do try out the free model, Gemini 3.5 Flash. It's a big release, my friends, and you should definitely try it out for free on Gemini. Thank you so much.